Hello, I'd like to do a real quick update on my journey finding home, let everyone know that I'm okay, and I do have some positive news. Before I get into that, I just want to say today where I am, where I have been, it's actually nice. Blue skies, some few scattered clouds, warm. Now, mind you, the nights are still cold, but right now it's really warm and I'm enjoying it. I'm thankful to have it. Now, what is this good news? Well, it appears I have an opportunity, baby steps, but an opportunity to move forward with my life. The only obstacle that I have right now is it's about 1,400 kilometers away. And I have to make that journey. So my journey finding home continues, and I can use some help if anyone wants to help. If not, then that's fine too. And definitely prayers are welcomed, but I do have this opportunity, and there are some other elements to this destination that I don't have here, and I've been here for some weeks now and I haven't been able to make any progress. But this new destination, there's other elements that I don't have here, and I'm anticipating more good things to come. So I just wanted to do this quick update, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Listen to this and write it down if you can't remember it. You're never going to outgrow warfare. You simply must learn to fight. I hear people saying to me, oh, when is it going to get easier? When you die.